Now we're at question 4. So in this case, it asks how much charge. So once we see the word charge, we have to first recall the symbol, which is capital Q. Current of 2 ampere is actually my current I is equal to 2 ampere. So it's good to recall all the different symbols. Current is I, and 1 minute is actually the time t. But please remember that we use all these formulas, the time has to be converted to seconds. So in this case, 1 minute is actually 60 seconds. So once you see information, it's good to start writing things on top of it so that you can start recalling the correct formula. So in this case, we are looking for Q. We are given I and T. So in this case, you can start to recall the triangle that relates to Q on top, I and T below. So in this case, I will cover my Q, and I will have Q is equal to I times T. So in this case, my I is actually 2 and my T is actually 60. So my answer is actually 120C, which is B. Okay, let us now move on to question 5. Which of the following is the symbol of a fuse? Okay, if you cannot recall what is a fuse, it's good to do a strike out method. So if you look at B, B is actually a fixed resistor. Okay, C is actually a thermistor. Okay, and D is a variable resistor. You can see the arrow there. So the arrow stands for a variable resistor. So the only answer that is left is actually, look carefully, a fuse needs to have a line passing through the center. So the answer has to be A. Okay, let us now move on to question 6. Okay, question 6 on top. Okay, question 6 is asking about the concept in this topic of practical electricity. There's a current of 2 ampere that flows through a electric kettle in use, means it's operating normally. So what are the current flowing in the live, neutral, and earth? We look carefully at how the live wire is connected. A live wire, if this is my kettle, the live wire will be connected here where the current comes into the appliance, and the neutral wire will be the amount of current that flows back into the AC supply. So live will go in and neutral will come out. So if it's originally 2 ampere flowing through here, so obviously without any leakage of current, live will be 2 ampere and neutral will be also 2 ampere. So I only left with option C and option D. Okay, remember that earth wire is a safety device in case of any accident touching of the metal casing. So in this case, there isn't any indication that there is a leakage or there's a flare wire. So in this case, earth wire will not be drawing any amount of current. So the best answer in this case, there will be no current drawn to the earth wire. Your answer will be D.